Welcome to the second part of my Teddy Amigurumi tutorial. In my last video, I showed you how to make the head, ears and the mouth, and today I will show you how to make the arms, body and the legs, and my last video I will show you how to make the dungaree and the bow and complete my cute tutorial. Hi, I'm Shaburi from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. For this project, we will require 4-ply acrylic yarn, crochet hook of size 3 mm, row counter for counting the number of rows, and a yarn cutter and a stitch marker, and also fiber fill. So this is the written direction for making the arms. So let's begin right away. In my last video, I showed you till the head portion. So now I will start with the arms and then I will show you how to make the legs and then the body. So let's begin with the arm. For the arm, we will take the yarn at first and make a magic circle with it. Considering the magic circle as the round one, we will begin the second round with 6 single crochets in the magic circle. We will pull the tail of the magic circle to close it. We will then do 1 single crochet in the first single crochet of this second round. We will mark this first stitch of this third round with a stitch marker. In the next stitch, we will do 1 single crochet followed by 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and we will repeat the pattern for one more time. That is 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet followed by 2 single crochets, and we will complete this third round. We will begin the fourth round with 1 single crochet and mark that with a stitch marker, and we will be doing 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round and complete it. And we will repeat the fourth round till the 11th round. Okay, and it's done. We will complete the 11th round with a slip stitch in the first stitch of this round. Then we will press the arm and we will be doing slip stitches in the opposite stitches in this manner and close the opening of the arm. Okay, at the end we will do a chain 1 and cut the yarn, keeping a long tail for sewing, and pull the yarn. Okay, so both the arms are ready. Now we will be making the legs. So at first we will make the leg 1. For that we will do a magic circle. We will begin the next round with 5 single crochets in the magic circle. We will pull the tail of the magic circle to close it and begin the next round with 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark that with a stitch marker, and in the same stitch we will be doing 1 more single crochet. That is, we did 2 single crochets. Similarly, we will be doing 2 single crochets in each and every stitch of the last round, and in the fourth round we will do 1 single crochet. Mark that with the stitch marker, and we will do 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of this round till the end of this round, and repeat the fourth round till the 12th round. Okay, once the 12th round is done, we will just slip stitch in the next stitch and do a chain 1 and cut the yarn, and then we will begin the leg 2 in the same manner. We will complete it till the 12th round. We will slip stitch in the next stitch, followed by, instead of doing chain 1 and cutting the yarn, we will do chain 2, but we will not cut the yarn. We will slip stitch in the first leg in any stitch you want in this manner. In this way we joined the 2 legs. Okay, and with this the leg portion is done. Now we will begin the body. This is the written pattern for the first 16 rounds of the body. After the slip stitch, we will be doing 1 single crochet in each of the 10 stitches of the leg 1. After doing the first single crochet, we marked that with a stitch marker, and we will be doing 1 single crochet in the following 9 stitches. So all the 10 single crochets of the first leg is done. Then we have got the chain 2 and we will be doing 1 single crochet in each of the 2 chains in this manner. And then we are entering in the leg 2. There also we have got 10 stitches. So we will be doing 1 single crochet in each of the 10 stitches of the leg 2 and complete it. So all the 10 stitches of the leg 2 are done. We are again left with the chain 2. So we will be doing 1 single crochet in each of the chain 2s on the other side of the chains. So the first round is done. We will now begin the next round, second round of the body. So we will do a single crochet and mark that with a stitch marker. This is the first stitch. We will be doing 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of the first round of the body, that is total 24 single crochets will be done. And it's done, and we will repeat it till the round 8. Begin the decreasing rounds. So round 9 we did the first single crochet, mark that with a stitch marker. Then in the following 9 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. So we did 10 single crochets in the beginning, and after that we will be doing a decrease. So single crochet 2 together in the 2 stitches. Okay, then we will repeat the pattern for one more time, that is 10 single crochets followed by decrease. We will begin the 10th round with 1 single crochet, mark that with a stitch marker. And then in the following 8 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. So we began with 9 single crochets in this round. And then we will be doing a decrease, and we will repeat the pattern for one more time, that is 9 single crochets followed by decrease. We will begin the 11th round with 1 single crochet, mark that with a stitch marker. Then in the following 7 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. So we began this round with 8 single crochets. And then we will be doing a decrease and repeat the pattern for one more time, that is 8 single crochets followed by decrease. We will begin the 12th round with 1 single crochet, mark that with a stitch marker. Then in the following 6 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. So we did 7 single crochets in the beginning followed by a decrease. Okay, then again repeat the pattern, that is 7 single crochets followed by decrease. We will begin the 13th round with 1 single crochet, mark that with a stitch marker. Then in the next 5 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. So we began with 6 single crochets. Then we will be doing a decrease. Then repeat the pattern for one more time, that is 6 single crochets followed by decrease. We will now begin the 14th round, but before that we will fill up little portion of the body and the leg with fiber fill and continue with the 14th round after that. We will now begin the 14th round with 1 single crochet, mark that with a stitch marker. In the next 4 stitches we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those. So we began with 5 single crochets in the beginning. Then we will be doing a decrease and repeat the pattern for one more time, that is 5 single crochets followed by decrease. Now we will be doing the 15th round with 1 single crochet, mark that with a stitch marker. and then we will be doing 1 single crochet in each one of those, in each of the stitches of the last round, and repeat the 16th round in the same manner. That is, the 15th and the 16th round have the same pattern, that is 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. At the end we will slip stitch in the first stitch followed by chain 1 and just cut the yarn, keeping a long tail for sewing. Okay, so the body and legs and the arms are ready. We will fill up the remaining portion of the body with the fiber fill. Now we will be assembling our body parts together and stitch them together. So now we will just start sewing. At first we will sew the head and the body. We will mark the midpoints of the head and the body. Align them such that the head is facing in the front side, and then stitch each stitch in this manner. Just join them stitch by stitch like this. And completes attaching the head to the body. We will soon complete the first round of stitching and then continue doing the same thing for 2 more rounds, such that the stitching is quite tight and the head doesn't open up on pulling them apart. Okay, so make sure that the stitching is for 2 to 3 rounds in this manner. We will quickly complete our stitching for 2 to 3 rounds, and at the end we will tie a knot. Now we will be attaching the arms. So place the arm in the right position and just stitch them together to the body near the neck portion. Simultaneously attach the other arm too. In this manner. Make sure that the sewing is tight enough so that it doesn't open up on pulling the arms or the head apart. In this case also repeat it for 2 to 3 times, and just at the end tie a knot and complete your stitching. We will hide the extra yarn after stitching the parts together in the body in this manner and cut out the extra portion of the yarn. We will do the same thing with the other yarns too, and finally our body, head and the arms are attached. We will be placing the eyes. Now I am placing these eyes, but later on I will be changing these. So now we are embroidering the nose in the muzzle. So do the embroidery in whatever way you feel like. Make sure it's neat enough. So the nose is more or less ready. We will make a thin line for the mouth in this manner, and now we will take out the needle for making the eyebrows, and the eyebrows are also done. Again take out the needle in the nose portion, tie a knot and weave in the loose ends. Cut the yarn and just weave in the loose ends in this manner. Okay, and hide the loose portion by pulling the yarn in the inside portion of the toy like this. So the loose portion of the yarn is also hidden, and I have changed the eyes too. So my teddy is now finally ready with a beautiful arm and legs. So this part is also completed. In my next tutorial, I will show you how to make the dungaree and the cute bow. So I hope you liked my today's tutorial where I showed you how to make the arms, legs and the body, and it was easy for you to follow with the written directions also written in the video. So take the screenshots for the same. In my next video, I will complete my tutorial with the pattern for this dress. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button and also comment in the comment section for any queries. Mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. And thank you and have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel.